The year is 2026. They told us the Link 7 chip would make us gods. No more forgotten names, no more lost languages, just pure, unfiltered data streamed directly into our visual cortex. I was one of the early adopters. For 6 months it was perfect. My mind was a well-oiled machine until the glitch started. It began 3 nights ago. I was lying in bed, eyes closed, ready to initiate the sleep cycle protocol. Suddenly, a notification flared in my vision. Not a system update, not a message. It was a video file labeled Corrupted Memory Arrow 4B. I didn't click it. I couldn't. The chip simply played it. The footage was grainy, flickering with a sickening cyan static. I saw through someone else's eyes. I saw a dimly lit room, the smell of ozone thick in the air. I saw a man sitting at a desk, his back to the camera, frantically typing. And then I saw the knife. The most terrifying part wasn't the violence, it was the date stamped in the corner of the frame. March 17th, 2026, 3 days from now. I woke up screaming, my neural interface burning with a high-voltage fever. The doctors at the Link 7 clinic told me it was just a data hallucination, a side effect of the new firmware. But the image of that room stayed with me. It was too vivid, too real. Today, I took my car and drove. I didn't have a destination, or so I thought. But my subconscious, or perhaps the chip itself, was guiding me. I found myself standing in front of an old, abandoned industrial building on the edge of the city. My HUD, head-up display, flickered. A single word appeared in my line of sight, pulsating in blood-red letters. Arrived. This was the room from the video. The smell of ozone was already here. My chip is no longer just recording my past. It's broadcasting a future I was never meant to see. And if the video is right, I have exactly 72 hours before.